Let's see how it is possible to join two or more audio files that have been extracted as audio tracks from a video file. As it has been seen that it can also be done, for example, with mp3 files using a software like Audacity. Let's see how it can be done to join them into a single audio track. In a final audio file that represents the union of these files that we have considered, we open Audacity, go to the File menu, open our first file. In this case we test on two mp3s. The first file is therefore called 1-file.mp3. We open it, and the audio track of the first file will appear here inside Audacity. Now what do? The same procedure, open the second file. This 2-file mp3, a new window will open, this one in relief with the second file, the second audio track. Now, considering the second file, so this window that we have highlighted. Let's go to the Select menu, Everything. It could be done as suggested here with the shortcut Ctrl+A. At this point we go to the Edit Copy menu and also here Ctrl+C as a shortcut. Now we position ourselves on the Audacity window where the first audio track was opened, and we have to go to the bottom. We see here that there is the yellow bar that delimits the first audio track. We position ourselves at this point. You see here with the mouse, and I'm here, or we do it with Ctrl+V, or we can do it by opening the Edit Paste menu. In fact, we have done a copy and paste operation. It is important, be careful. It is essential to position yourself at the end of the first audio track to copy and paste the second. It is the same procedure then if we want to paste other tracks. Go to the end of the last track that we pasted. Otherwise the audio files overlap, and a disaster comes out that is certainly not what we wanted. We have therefore joined our tracks. At this point we go to the File menu, Export. We export it, for example, always as mp3. We started from two mp3s, we call it, so as not to overwrite it. We will give the name 3 file, and this file will be the result of the union of two previous files. Here we simply have to click OK. Obviously we can give our values here that do not affect the final audio track, artist name, track title, album title, so here it makes it clear that we are working on a disc. This is not our case, they are two generic audios, but it could be done for songs. Let's try to see if everything went well. Let's open the first file. Let's see that the length of the file is 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Let's see it here. Let's go and see the second file. File 2, 4 minutes and 35, so 5 and 43 plus 4 and 35 should give us 10 minutes and 18 seconds. Let's go and see here, 10 and 19. Clearly because there are then tenths of a second, and let's see that this file now we are certainly not listening to them, which is not what we are interested in, is 10 minutes and 19, which means that the union of the first file with the second was successful, and we have generated the third file, the file called 3-file.mp3. This operation, as said, can be done on multiple files, and always remember to join the audio track, starting from the last one on the right side. From the far right where the audio track ends, to which we want to paste the new audio, and every time do this, so the files will be joined. This is an example that is done with Audacity. It can also be done with other programs that are listed in the description. That's all for this video. See you next time.